So my product is called Grandma's Old Fashioned Blueberry Crisp Breakfast Bar. This is the ingredient list. And this is the nutritional facts. And let's get started. So you're going to take your dry ingredients. This is the 2 cups of oats. And then this is the cinnamon, baking powder, and salt. And you're going to mix that up. Kind of hard to do with just one hand, so I'm gonna cut the video here and move on to the next step. So here you have your 2 eggs. You're gonna combine your liquid ingredients in this bowl. Here is my maple syrup, honey, and vanilla extract. And next is a 1/4 cup of applesauce. I got a blueberry one to give it a little bit more blueberry flavor. And once that's all mixed, you're gonna combine the 2. So dump your dry ingredients into the wet and give that a mix as well. And again, not the easiest thing to do one-handed. So here's the finished product. So after letting that sit for 20 minutes to let everything kind of marinate, you're gonna fold in your 1/2 cup of blueberries. Yeah, possible to do one-handed. So there's them folded in. And then you're going to transfer it to a baking sheet. I lined it with tin foil and sprayed it with some cooking spray. So once that's done, you're going to put it in a preheated 350-degree oven. And you're going to put that in for 30 minutes. There you go. And then once it's done, it should look some golden brown. So I don't know if you can see, but it's got some golden edges. And yeah, good to go.